Hello, bonjour, bonjour. Hey guys, what's good? So today's video, we want to share a quick choreography on one recent dance we just did with the North Florida team, Gainesville crew. Hey, shout out, boy. So the song is Number One Lady by Swaggy, featuring DJ Frizzy. It's a remix, so it's not the original song. But when I heard this song was legit until I found out it was about an ex. So the whole entire song is about an ex. Alright, so in the choreography you'll notice, if you watch the song again, here's the link right here. Go to this link, or below the post you'll see an actual link to the choreography we did. And you'll notice how even in our facial, it's not so happy kind of thing. So it's more about, you know, you're upset but not so upset because you're mad at your significant other who you are married to. Got a bag to, I don't have a bag yet, but a person that you're married to is still thinking about their ex, but you don't want to let that person go yet, but that person's in your life. So you'll notice that in the choreography. So as you learn today's choreography, keep that in mind. It's more about showing that emotion, all right? So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get started. The crew is gonna show up in a couple of seconds now, all right? KOTR. Hey guys, so now we're going to teach you the choreography, alright? So to do the choreography, we have the Gainesville crew, alright? So of course we have Annie, we got Benny, and we got Sarah, alright? So what we're going to do now, remember, the whole choreography is supposed to be about her being petty, about the fact that he's still thinking about the ex while he's married to the girl who's current there, alright? So the girls in front, they're going to sit right in front of us. They're the married girl. They're the one who have the ring, the rock, all right? So they're the one who's petty. So here's the choreography. So the guy's gonna be off her left, all right? So from here, I'm gonna take a right step forward, one, and then grab her shoulder. She's gonna do a shoulder shrug, all right? Let's try it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, back, all right? So notice what I did. My weight comes back to my left leg. From here, I'm going to try to tip again. I'm bringing my right leg back down again, but this time step off with the left to try to come around. Try to see what's up with her, and then she's going to give me a little, don't hit him now, don't slap him, but just give him a little, I don't want to hear it. All right, he's going to walk off and then come right behind her. All right, let's try that whole thing. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, short. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, all right? 4, you're gonna start off with the hand behind the back, and then 5 is gonna be where the jump happens. Here's the jump. So from here, 5, 6, 7, jump, 1. All right? You saw what happened? So one more time. I'm gonna have my hand on her back. We're gonna jump down. When she drums, we're led with my arms opening wide here, right? 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right? So from here, I'm going to bring my hands back in again, and then throw it all the way out. All right? One more time from the top. All right, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and shrug, step, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2. All right, you got it? So when I did, I said 1 and 2. All right, from here, next move, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 8, I throw it open like this. I'm gonna walk up to her side. All right, so next count. Let's continue from here. What she's gonna do is, she's gonna try to tap my shoulder to get my attention. So from here, she touches my shoulder, I slide in. All right, so I don't know if you're doing that, Benny. So when you come here, right leg for the guys, and then slide in with the left. All right, just like Sarah mentioned, the ladies are still moving, all right? Still giving that 1-2 step. All right, let's try it from the top. From the top, ready, 5, 6, 7, on allait, c'est 1, 2, 3 et 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 et 4, 5, 6, 7 et 8, c'est 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 et 8, 1, 2, 3. Now, this is the last thing we're going to show you for today, all right? This is the good part. From here, we're going to give a little ya-ya. Her hip is going to come right into me. 1, and then I'm going to move right with it. From here, I'm going to lift my leg up and then step into the ya-ya this time, and then bring her back up again. All right, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. After the 4, I'm going to make her do like this little snake thingy. You'll love it. From here, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's all we got for you for today. So let's try that again all the way through. All right, and if you're not getting it, listen, the rewind button is right there. All right, so go ahead and hit rewind. Let's get it. From here from the top, 5, 6, 7, en allée. 1, 2, 3 et 4, 5, 6, 7 et 8. 1, 2, 3 et 4, 5, 6, 7 et 8. 1, 2, 3 et 4, 5, 6, 7 et 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 et 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, we're going to do it with the music, all right?
KOTR. Ooh, baby. Depuis, dis-moi, fais-moi connaître qui pourrait courir même. Depuis, montre-moi qu'on a besoin de tout. Eu te digo que o bom me faz bom, o bom, portanto, c'est le bon.
I'm already sweating, all right? So I love the choreography. I'm sure you love it too. But if you want to learn more of the choreography, listen, you can have us come out to your school, to your event, or whatever it is, and we teach you the choreography. You can use it for anything. If you're doing a wedding, if you're doing a show, performance, whatever it is, definitely let us know, all right? So there's a link below. There's our website, Konpa2012@gmail.com. That's the website. We can hit us up. And then there's a phone number, a 305 number right down there too, all right? So definitely hit us up if you want us to be able to come out to your event and teach you this choreography in person. I'll be right there with you, step by step. Who are you?
I'm Sarah.
Hey guys, I'm Annie.
Thank you so much for watching our KOTR video. If you want to see, I know you guys loved it. If you want to see more, check out that video.
No, this one is better.
No, girl.
No,
this
this
one is,
no,
Annie, no, this one is better.
This one is better. Just check it out. No.
That one is better, guys. Thank you for watching KOTR TV.